Hello, my realists, and welcome to Vishaun for Real. Hi, say hi. Today is Vivian's Shein haul day. Now, grab your drinks, grab whatever you have. We are showcasing some of Shein's spring summer collection. Now, she has a good amount of clothes, more than I had, way more than I had. She has a bag, she has a handbag, she has shoes, she has dresses, she has onesies, she has tracksuits. You name it, she has it. So sit tight, sit back, relax, and stay tuned.
All right, I really like this sweatsuit. It's called the Baby Boy Geoprint Hoodie and Sweatpants for only $14.40. I paired it with the Baby Boy Lace Up Front Sneaker for only $8. I really like this outfit. Even though it's for a baby boy, I think it's more unisex and a girl can also wear it. And I topped it up with a white bow. Now, can you believe that they gave the baby pockets? This sweatsuit has pockets. I love this outfit. All right, I thought this outfit was so cute. It's the baby girl ribbed bodysuit and flare leg pants, $13.60, paired with the baby fluffy slingback sandals. The material of the outfit is very light and airy, and the shoes are so cute and fluffy and they feel comfortable. In the next slide, you're gonna see she's going to showcase it and show you the front of the shoe. There you go. And she's very happy in it. She loved this outfit. Yes, honey, you better work. Go, girl. Now, this outfit is everything. I love this dress. I wish they had this in life size. Now, this dress is called the Toddler Girls Dobby Mesh Overlay Ruffle Neck Dress, $14.40, along with the Baby Bow Decor knee-high socks for $4, and the Baby Girl Bow Decor flats, $8. With the crossbody bag, it's called the Girls Cartoon Design Crossbody Bag for $4. Let me tell you, I love the feel of the material. The design of this dress is everything. The shoes are very comfortable, easy to slip on. As you can see, she was clapping. She loved it. And look, it's very cute. Alternatively, you can pair this with, the sneaker, the black sneaker. It's called the Baby Boy Lace Up Front Canvas Shoe for $7.20. I must say the bottom does not have very good grip, so be careful if you do purchase this that you are aware that it doesn't really have too much of a good grip. And I topped it off with a nice black bow. Ugh, I love this dress. She's clapping for it because she loves it. Now, I really like this outfit. This is a good outfit for, if you're going to church or if you're going to a dressy event as well. Now, this is called the Baby Girl Bow Front Contrast Peter Pan Collar Dress. It's paired with the Baby Girl Bow Decor flats, the crossbody cartoon bag, and the Baby Bow Decor knee-high socks. The dress, it was only $12. Now, with regards to the hat, I did find something similar. I did not get this from Shein, but the hat, you can look for the Toddler Girls Cartoon Embroidered Straw Hat. It is $9. The dress itself, it's a soft material. And it is stretchy, so it does have a little bit of give. And the socks, if your baby's around 79 centimeters or so, this is a good, buy the medium. Overall, this outfit, the material is good, the quality is good. And the shoes, I didn't explain that before, but the shoe is very nice, and it does have a grip underneath. So overall, this is a good outfit and good purchase. I love this bodysuit. Oh, it's so cute. And the detail. It's called the Baby Girl Floral Lace Trim Combo Bodysuit Dress with Headband. Was only $14.40. Now, my recommendation is to buy a size up because I did buy similar sizes for all the outfits. She's saying, Auntie, I got this. I got this. I bought similar sizes for all the outfits, but this one was a little bit more snug. Look at the detail in the back. I love, 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 love it. I recommend this one. Just make sure you buy the correct size. Now this sweatsuit is so cute. I love it and I love the detail. It's called the Baby Girl Cartoon Graphic Hoodie and Sweatpants. It is so cute. I don't know how many times I have to say cute, but it was $16.80. I paired it with the Baby Boy lace up front sneaker. Very good combo. The detail, as you can see in the back, there's so many different things, elements to this sweatsuit. Now the material is like any other sweatsuit, and it's good quality. So I do recommend this outfit. Look at all that drool. Man, she went to town on that toy. Anyway, I like this outfit and I love this color purple. Now, it's called the Baby Girl Rib Knit Ruffle-Trim Bodysuit with the shorts and headband. I did switch out the headband just to add a different color to it. It is only $13.60 for the whole outfit. It looks comfortable. It feels comfortable. I like the material. It is stretchy. And I love the sleeves because it added a bit of femininity to it. I paired it with the Baby Fluffy Slingback sandal. So it looks very comfortable. You can walk in it and just enjoy. Now, I really like this dress as well. It's called the Baby Girl Tropical Print Ruffle Overall Dress. I got this for only $12.80. I would pair this with, you can do white sneakers or slipper or even dress shoes and a headband with either, it could be yellow, green, or even white. I did not put this on her because it is too big for her right now and it would not give the dress any justice. I really like this dress. The color is everything. Now, the material, it's a regular cotton material, but it would fit well once she grows into this size. Now, this outfit is in honor of all the soldiers out there and her daddy, who is a former soldier himself. We want to thank you for your service and for protecting us. This outfit is called the Baby Girl Slogan Graphic Ruffle-Trim Jumpsuit with Headband. It cost me $13.60. I paired it with the Baby Boy Lace Up Front Canvas shoe. Now, this outfit, I would recommend you check the size chart just to make sure the length would be long enough for your baby. Also, I love the fact that they added the ruffles on the sleeves to add some femininity, especially with the color. And the headband is a headband that you have to tie yourself, so just keep that in mind. But in terms of the material, it feels like a softer cotton. It does have the snaps in between. But I do recommend this outfit. It is so cute, especially if you want to put your baby girl in this so that she can, rock it with her daddy, because it says daddy's girl. So I highly recommend this outfit. Too cute. Now, she said, you better feed me or I quit. You know how babies are. This outfit is called Baby Girl Eyelet Embroidery Blouse and Shorts and Headband. I got this for only $14.40. I paired this with the Baby Girl Bow Decor Slingback Sandal for $6.40. Okay, so the pros and cons. I'm going to say I don't really like the headband. It just looks and feels a little cheap, like they just put this thing together. And it seemed that they made them a little bit small. Anywho, I would probably use my own headband with this outfit. But however, I really do like the dress itself. It just reminds me of a nice cotton summer breeze. I do recommend purchasing this outfit. Just beware about, as I said before, the bow. You probably won't use it. Now, this dress is called the Baby Girl Floral Print Ruffle-Trim 2-in-1 dress. It cost me $10.40. I paired this with the fluffy sandal. Now, I like this dress. The reason why they call it 2-in-1 because that top piece, it is attached to the skirt. Now, it doesn't come with the undershirt. I added that undershirt to it because she just felt too naked. I didn't like it. So I put the long sleeve undershirt, or you can do a short sleeve if you want, but it looks better with the long sleeve. You can also pair this with the sneaker. I paired it with the baby boy lace up front sneaker as well. It is so cute. I love this outfit with a nice mustard. Is that mustard? No, gold headband. Love it. Now, I really like this outfit. It is called the Baby Girl Ruffle Rib Knit Romper with Plaid Corduroy dress. It cost me $14.40. I paired it with the Baby Girl Bow Decor flats, and on her head, the straw hat. And a couple of the last slides, you will see her in a different hat. That one is called the Toddler Girl Faux Pearl and Rope Decor Straw Hat. I love it. Now with that hat, I paired it with the baby boy white sneaker. I love this outfit. The romper, the quality is very good, especially for the money. And I'm really appreciative that it came with an actual undershirt. You go, girl. All right, my realists, thank you so much for tuning in to Vivian's first huge Shein haul. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share if you care. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can be a part of the notification crew. So stay tuned.